Hello, I'm Koel Puri Roche, and the good thing is that a lot of time my job doesn't feel like work. I get to chat with living legends and laugh a lot. And today, it's about real magic because both things are going to happen together. I have some of the finest talent in the country on my show, especially here to make me and you laugh. So, not raising the expectations or anything, but please just introduce yourselves or each other however you like to be introduced.
My name is Piyush Mishra. That's all. Anuji.
I am Anu Kapoor.
My name is Anupam Kher and I am one of the Shaukeens in this film, and I am very happy to be here with Koel, you, and it's a joy, and you are the only center of attraction right now we have. You are in a very dangerous spot, I feel, that the three people of us who have been lusting for Lisa, and she's not there because of she's not well, so...
I'm all for all the attention coming to me.
And this is one and only Mr. Akshay Kumar.
तो आपको कुछ बोलने की ज़रूरत ही नहीं है. That's fine.
I like it when they speak, you know. I feel like a producer then.
You're the master of ceremony, but this thing that you talked about, that you're better be careful because you're lusting after the women now.
क्या problem पता क्या है? I'll tell you. अंग्रेजी में अब सब कुछ लगता है बड़ा decent है. It's very civilized. It's very proper to say that I lust for you. But in Hindi, if you say that, you feel, oh, you're being a modest lech, you are being a horrifying person. Because if you say a four-letter word in English, it's to be the best thing that's happened. But if you say a translation of that four-letter word in Hindi, you're gross. So
I think every language has its own, slang. And to understand the slang, you got to be in that country. What the English audience will never be able to understand, and we will never be able to explain the essence of Turkey. If I say, oh, the Turkey means debauch, then right. No. Or lecherous. No. It's all in one. Yet a Turkey who is not...
Who's harmless.
Now Lisa is not here.
Yes.
I'm here. You have to make do. I don't look like a patch like her.
No,
but
you're a gorgeous lady.
Thank you so much.
It's okay.
But एक Turkey किस्म से, आप जरा maybe you can show me what you mean by wooing me or making me do something. Wooing नहीं. अच्छा, okay, making me do something. How do you want me to?
That you may say, oh my God, where am I? यहाँ कहाँ फंस गई?
हाँ, अच्छा ठीक है. करो. Let me feel at the receiving end of the turkeys.
चलो जी इनको सब ठरकी अंदाज से देखो बस.
आप हो जाना ईमानदारी से अगर असर हो रहा है तो.
ठीक है, मैं हो जाऊँगी. Hi, I'm Koel. Hi, I'm Koel.
सच में
कब कूकोगी? हाँ?
Oh my God.
कूकोगी कब? बताओ ना.
कूकोगी कब?
कूकोगी आपके लिए?
और किसके लिए?
क्यों?
क्यों हम कह रहे हैं ना?
हम में क्या बुराई है?
Nothing, sir. But you're like a brother and a father to me.
So what? But we are not, na. बस करें?
But I'm telling you, Piyush sir is the worst. Okay, you just stop. Please stop. He's the worst. Just stop. Like, okay, coming to Akshay now. If you were playing your age, very rarely do you play your age, right? In films, or age is.
But I don't need to. I can match up anybody. I can match up. I'm saying it in front of your camera. I can match up anybody who's 24. You make somebody run with me. Let me see who runs faster.
He's got no wrinkles on his face. What's the reason for that? Like, have you done something? Because you're
never
looking
in my life I'd ever touch anything unnatural. Never in my life. I will never take anything which is unnatural to body.
I'm looking at Akshay and I'm looking at his style, and I look at your style even in films. You have a very unique, quirky way of taking things, taking colors and changing it around, right? Now you have 3 turkeys or beautiful men here.
That's fine, there are 3 Shaukeens.
Yeah, 3 Shaukeens. Yeah. You have 3 Shaukeens here. I have a bag full of props also, but just the way that they are dressed, can you give them the Aki style? This whole, you know, I don't know how he can, only you can carry it off because of the way your attitude is, the way you look.
So you want me to dress them up?
I want you to, whatever they're wearing, make them Aki, give them the Aki polish.
Alright. ठीक है अनु जी, आप पहनिए
और ले जा सकते हैं, घर ले जा सकते हैं,
उसे उल्टा पहनना. ये क्या पहने, दबाओ तो सही उसको।
I really need a
उल्टा
cap.
उल्टा पहनो।
Yeah.
चलो ऐसे पहन दो, ठीक है, जैसे आपकी।
कुछ ज्यादा कच नहीं है हमारे पास
यार
because
नहीं अच्छे
ये तो सारी उम्र लगे रहोगे, किसी को फिट नहीं होगा। इतनी हरियाली तो।
but you normally wear something like this in a totally unique
But
way,
it's
no?
him, na?
हाँ, but he's doing that to you guys.
पापा जी लो, पाओ।
Or even what they were wearing, would you be able to?
क्या? हाँ नहीं ये चलेगा.
You're underestimating us somewhere.
No way.
Yeah.
If I was, why would I ask
actually
you?
started the whole thing with underestimate.
Yeah, yeah.
Which actually I
तो
want.
actually handsome लगूंगा इसमें.
What do you mean I'm underestimating you?
You're underestimating because it's a mindset. You think that because the way he looks, so his thought process will be different, and because the way we look or we dress up, we are different.
No.
No.
Not at all. You're wrong, Anupam sir. You're completely wrong.
Okay.
I am saying that you guys are some of the most exceptional talent in this industry. And in fact, Anu sir has said before that talent का कोई X-ray नहीं होता.
Sorry.
Right? That you cannot, the director or a filmmaker cannot see. मैं बोलती जाऊँ?
हाँ.
ऐसे ही? अच्छा. That you cannot see.
नहीं, इसको ऐसे रखना।
अब ढकते ही
बस।
जज्बात जाग पड़े।
हाँ.
जैसे ही
अब मैं
आपने
पूरा इंटरव्यू ऐसे ही करूँ?
कवर किया तो वलवले जाग पड़े।
Correct.
हाँ, समझे ना?
अभी अच्छे
नहीं,
लग रहे हैं
इसका
कि
मुझे मतलब
नहीं?
नहीं
ये
समझ
पॉइंट तो
आया।
प्रूव हुआ ना कि नहीं हम अच्छे लग रहे हैं इनकी ड्रेसअप से, वो तो प्रूव हो गया ना.
नहीं, but you were looking good anyway. I just wanted this craziness, that one leg
That's
up,
nice.
पता नहीं, you know, that one leg up, one this thing
suits
here.
him.
But I
One
think you are also,
style, it's okay.
there is an element of mystery now.
what that mystery is, no one wants to unravel.
No, but there is a certain amount
But
of
you know,
mystery.
I want to come back to Anupam sir's point. There was a quote that I read Anu sir say that there is no X-ray of talent that you can't see. Now, if suppose you guys, for all the talent that you have had, you are not conventionally good-looking people. When you were 20 years old, you were balding from
Correct.
all over the place. You played a 65-year-old man. None of you look like. I'm being blatant about it. You don't look like Akshay, right?
Yeah.
What if you did? Today, would your life, with all the talent that you have, would your life as an actor be completely different?
कन्वेंशनल सेंस में जो इंडस्ट्री के मेकर्स हैं, जो जिनको आप कह सकते हैं जिन्होंने इंडस्ट्री का सूरमा है, वो कन्वेंशनल सेंस में एक भी खूबसूरत आदमी नहीं है. ना तो दिलीप कुमार, ना राजेश खन्ना, ना अमिताभ बच्चन, ना शाहरुख खान. एक भी आदमी कन्वेंशनल सेंस में खूबसूरत नहीं है. इट इज जस्ट द लक.
Say something.
And then, yes,
May I say
please,
something?
yes,
ऐसा नहीं है कि बहुत सारे खूबसूरत लोग बहुत अट्रैक्टिव भी हों.
yes,
There's a difference
100%.
I think Nasir is
And
one of the
even-
finest actors
Yes.
of our country. He is not good looking conventionally.
But nor is he considered a superstar. He is definitely
by
one of the
whom?
most respected actors. But he is not. He cannot compete with a
What can we do
superstar.
if we are not given that kind of beauty?
That is my point. Beauty.
Next janam, sometime when I am in a mood, I tell this gentleman, I don't want this talent in my next birth. If there is a concept of next birth, just give me 50% of your beauty, yaar, please, yaar, please. And we have every right to make you feel jealous and feel you inferior. You have billions, and we have nothing, yaar.
That
Does this, on a serious note, but does this ever
नहीं, मैं
upset
मजाक
you?
But they said it seriously only.
They said it, no? There
So
is
it's not a
there-
serious note, they already
is
said
serious.
seriously.
Coming
Mother's
to
womb.
a point about Shawkins, you have spent, now when you have an ensemble cast like this, you get to know each other very, very well, right? So I'm going to throw a few statements or quotes
नहीं, आप
that
ये पहने
each-
रहिए ना, अच्छी लगती है.
अभी बाद में पहन. क्यों आपको, you are supposed to be a turkey, you should like me in less clothes, right?
नहीं.
नहीं,
जितनी
नहीं.
चीजें ढक जाती हैं, उतनी ही इंक्विजिटिवनेस बढ़ती है.
वाह वाह बहुत
क्या बात.
चलो मैं ऐसे आपसे बात करती हूँ.
नहीं,
नहीं, वो चेहरे की
चेहरे की बात नहीं, चेहरा मत छुपाओ.
So I'm going to throw tags. You have to tell me quickly, whoever is the first person who tells me who fits into that tag,
Tell me.
right? And even Lisa or the director or whoever else was there.
within the limitation of
Within the Shawkins.
within the shocking.
The one who can easily escape to a parallel plane of existence, like the Manali trance.
I think Abhishek was to some this thing or that he was while he was directing. क्या सर मैं आप बोल सकता हूँ? आप मुझे इजाज़त देंगे बोलने की? पीछे से मेरी सास की तरह बात नहीं।
अरे आज तो सर जी आज
I miss this.
नहीं कुछ नहीं, वो हम दोनों के बीच, ये मेरे सीनियर है ना।
हाँ, अब ये सीनियर बोल के मेरी मतलब ऐसी तैसी करेंगे।
मेरे भी सीनियर हैं, इसलिए जो है ये अधिकतर लैग मेरी पुल करते हैं जब करते हैं, दोनों मिल जाते हैं ना, जैसे अभी कर रहे हैं।
मैंने इनको हमेशा पैर भी पढ़ लिए, प्रेस के सामने पैर पढ़ लिए इनके कि आप मेरे सीनियर हो। कभी मजाल है कि मैंने इनके खिलाफ इनकी शान में कोई गुस्ताखी की?
You all are back at NSD and you're like little boys fighting with each other, going, you're my senior, you're this, you're ragging, you're not.
Correct.
And he's the school teacher.
हमारे स्कूल में 5 नेशनल स्कूल ऑफ ड्रामा के स्टूडेंट्स हैं, 5।
मैं बता देता हूँ, एक ये अभिषेक और जिन्होंने ये फिल्म लिखी है तिग्मांशु, ये पांचों के पांचों NSD से हैं और उन्होंने कमाल की एक्टिंग सीखी हुई है और मैं बहुत एनवी करता हूँ कि, और अपने आप को ये भी समझता हूँ कि मैं पीछे रह गया, मैं एक्टिंग नहीं सीख पाया और ये पांचों के पांचों NSD से हैं।
So do they make you feel like that, like you're the outsider?
कभी नहीं, बिल्कुल।
एक चीज जो NSD में नहीं सिखा, उल्टा सिखाई जाती है कि वहां से जो पढ़ के आता है ना, वो एक्टर हो या ना हो, है ना, अपने आप में एक्टर होने का ईगो जरूर पाल लेता है। कुछ एक्टर होते भी हैं, कुछ एक्टर होते हैं और नहीं भी होते, नहीं होते हैं वो भी अपने अंदर NSD से पढ़ के आने का ईगो पाल लेते हैं, है ना। वो चीज़ NSD में नहीं सिखाई जाती, जो कि अब बोलना पड़ेगा, ये जो हजरत हैं अक्षय कुमार, मतलब ही इज़ द प्रोड्यूसर, ही इज़ सुपरस्टार एंड ही हिमसेल्फ हैज़ गिवन अ स्कोप इन द फिल्म, बार बार इंटरफेयरिंग कि यार ये स्कोप है मेरा मजाक उड़ाने का, ये स्कोप है मेरा मजाक उड़ाने का, मेकिंग फन ऑफ हिमसेल्फ। So this, I don't think as NSD guy, I would have done any time.
But the things that he has added into his characterization,
the whole
which he is not
bit,
at all. He's not rude to people in the film. He is trying to be rude to people. Then he doesn't even touch alcohol. And
which is a strange thing. You don't touch alcohol, and you're not a party animal. You hate going to social events, and yet all your songs, not just in this film, in the recent past, have all been about party and alcoholism and trance and things. And I know you'd say it's in the situation of the film, but in the end they become youth anthems, right?
But my darling, it is the whole thing. It is the situation which I have to go according to the situation, because my writer and my director wrote a character that I'm an alcoholic. So this song came. Well, I can throw my weight and I can easily stop it, but I will not, because it's flowing with the character.
So मैं अल्कोहलिक हूँ, ये कौन या था या जो भी है, ये टैग किस पे जाएगा?
रियल लाइफ में भी हूँ।
Okay, so that's there. I'm sitting with a very fun cast of Shauqeen and Akshay.
The Shauqeen.
The Shauqeen. Sorry, I'm so sorry. The Shauqeen. You guys know each other very well. I'm going to test how well you know each other. I'm going to say a headline that one of you in real life has said. If it's your line, then you keep quiet.
Okay.
If you recognize it as, oh, I know Akshay said this, then you say who said it.
Chalo.
And then the person or you can decide to explain what that means. Okay?
That's a good idea.
Yeah. First line. I'd like to bring glory to the motherland.
इन्होंने बोला नहीं?
मैंने तो नहीं बोला।
नहीं बोला इन्होंने।
See, he's smiling away.
ये इन्होंने बोला।
इन्होंने बोला।
The country does not need, is not
in need of a band.
Yes. Yes,
नहीं
that's
आपके
right.
क्या you are serving your country as an actor also.
चलो ठीक है. This is what
He feels.
This is what I feel.
लेकिन अनु जी,
whatever I do and whatever and wherever I am, this is my dream. This is my passion to bring glory to my motherland.
In this drudgery of life today, if I am contributing somebody's life in the auditorium and making him laugh, that's my contribution. So that's what I feel.
This is my statement. I want to bring glory to the motherland in every deed I'm involved with.
Do you think before your time is up you will? In your sense of the word?
I would try my level best.
That's good.
The woods are lovely, dark and deep, but I have promises to keep and miles to go before I sleep. And miles to go before I... ये तो आप लोगों को याद है, लेकिन हरिवंश राय बच्चन की लाइन भी रॉबर्ट फ्रॉस्ट की लाइन से कम नहीं है. बहुत अच्छा ट्रांसलेट किया है. इंग्लिश की लाइंस हिंदी में ट्रांसलेट करना बहुत मुश्किल है, और द विज़-अ-वीज़, लेकिन बहुत अच्छा गहन सघन मनमोहन वन तरु मुझको आज बुलाते हैं. गहन सघन मनमोहन वन तरु मुझको आज बुलाते हैं, किंतु किए जो वादे मैंने मुझे याद आ जाते हैं। अभी कहाँ आराम बदा यह मूक निमंत्रण चलना है, अरे अभी तो मीलों मुझको
चलना है। वाह वाह वाह, क्या बात है।
Next line.
आई।
I'm not a cribber, I'm an optimist and a realist.
अनुपम जी।
Yeah. Because I don't believe in cribbing. My father used to say that when you are very poor, the easiest thing available is happiness. So that made me an eternal optimist. I think in this country we are becoming a country of cribbers. We are constantly criticizing people. What we need to say is what we see, that what is good that is happening is more important than what is not happening, because that will happen. And you can be a cribber about everything. You know, and
once you start,
yeah. And I think what makes me unhappy, I will not do that.
Can I say something?
Yes,
I would like to quote Victor Hugo in La Miserable. आपने ये गलत पॉइंट, शौकीन का नाम लेके आपने गलत पॉइंट से शुरू कर दिया. Anyway, he says in La Miserable, as the French pronounce it, English वाले बोलते हैं La Miserable. In the La Miserable, he says the supreme happiness of life is the conviction that we are loved. The supreme happiness, Pandit ji, गौर से सुना? The supreme happiness of life is the conviction that we are loved, loved for ourselves, or say rather, loved in spite of being ourselves.
Wow, wow, wow. क्या बात.
But not everyone has this kismat, no? Of being loved. Not everyone.
But love is the focal point of your existence. Without love, you cannot survive.
And that is the theme of Shauqeen also, by the way.
Why bother with Google when I have a wife who knows
ये तो
everything?
इन्हीं का हो सकता है, इन्हीं की वाइफ है जो गूगल जैसी इंफॉर्मेशन रखती है. सर आप हाँ या ना तो बोलिए.
हाँ, पहले मैं देख रहा हूँ कि कौन बोलेगा.
बोल तो दिया सीनियर ने.
ठीक है जी, हाँ जी, मैंने ही बोला था और इसमें कोई समझाने की जरूरत नहीं है. It's a very easy thing. So that's it.
Your motivation as an actor should be that the bloody light is going on and you need to finish the shoot.
Yeah, obviously मैंने बोला.
But you're pointing out at the
I'm
person.
sorry, I'm very
अरे ये क्या कर रही?
अब मैं यहाँ देख के बोलूँगी. When you taste super success after super failure, it's a big relief.
अरे अक्षय,
ये तो यही बोल सकते हैं.
I didn't point.
हाँ मैं तो कर रहा हूँ.
अरे बहुत obvious है. It's obvious. जो स्टेटमेंट एक आदमी सुपर सक्सेस के बाद सुपर फेलियर, हम में से तीनों कोई नहीं हो सकता है. यही हो सकता है.
मिली नहीं है सर.
ना हमने सुपर फेलियर देखा है, ना हमने सुपर सक्सेस देखे. कबीरा खड़ा बाजार में, सबकी भागे खैर, ना काहू से दोस्ती ना काहू से बैर.
Okay, now I know we have to wrap up quickly. Unfortunately.
एक काम करते हैं, इन्होंने आज बड़ा खेल खेला है, आज हम खेलते हैं इनके साथ एक खेल. मैं आता हूँ, एक सेकंड रुकना इधर ही.
आप कहाँ जा रहे हो?
मैं आ रहा हूँ.
He's leaving. He's not going to come back.
नहीं, he will come back.
खेलते हैं, इनके साथ खेलते हैं. इन्होंने हमारा बड़ा मजाक उड़ाया. चलो.
What the hell is this? I'm not eating some eggs.
No, who's telling you to eat egg?
Okay. No, because we eat raw eggs and all that.
Listen.
इन्होंने
जब हमसे खेला, ये सब खेले, हमने कुछ बोला?
बिल्कुल.
कैमरामैन भाई कुछ बोला हमने?
नहीं बोला
भाई. अब हम खेलेंगे.
बिल्कुल खेलिए सर.
हाँ, ये
Okay, done.
अब देखिए, इनमें से 4 बॉइल्ड अंडे हैं और 2 बॉइल्ड नहीं है.
Oh God.
आपने एक चुनना है बिना हाथ लगाए और फिर उसको लेके अपने सर पे फोड़ना है. बॉइल्ड हुआ तो नहीं फूटेगा. और
I'm not doing that.
मैं करूंगा, मैं भी करूंगा आपके साथ. इट्स कॉल्ड एग रूले. जैसे रशियन रूले होता है. हाँ. एग रूले. रेडी?
नहीं, मैं किसी और के सर पे नहीं फोड़ सकती.
नहीं,
मेरी तरफ देखना भी मत. Just because my head is expressed.
But Anupam sir, you have a head made for breaking.
मेरे सर पे टूटेगा अंडा.
करो.
बोलो.
आप पहले करो.
मैं शुरू करूं पहले?
No, but you know. Wait.
नहीं.
Wait.
जो करना है कर लो बस. अब छोड़ दो बस.
Okay.
आप कुछ.
I will start.
एक सेकंड.
नहीं, I will start. Ready?
हाँ.
इतना गरम है.
गरम है तो ना फोड़ लो फिर.
फोड़ो. And there are all going to be some trick, right? But you're going to do it with me.
गरम है तो फोड़ो. हाँ.
You're going to do it also.
101%.
पक्की बात. मेरे बुद्धू तो नहीं बना रहे हो.
आपने हमारा बनाया क्या?
नहीं.
फिर?
आपके ऊपर. चलो एक साथ.
नहीं, आप पहले. या मैं फोड़ लेता हूँ पहले.
अच्छा नहीं, मैं फोड़ती हूँ. एक तो बहुत गरम है.
कोई बात नहीं, मुझे
ये क्या है? पूरा फोड़ो जोर से, जोर से फोड़ो।
फोड़ दिया यार।
अच्छा चलो, नहीं फूटा, वेरी शाबाश,
वाह वाह वाह,
लकी रही। ये अब नीचे रख दो। अब याद रखना, अब आपने पॉइंट करना है। हाँ, अब आपने हाथ नहीं लगाना है, ठीक है? चलो, नहीं फूटा भाई।
अच्छा, हम दोनों ही खेल रहे हैं।
हाँ, अब
अच्छा, मैं
अब आप उंगली देंगे।
ये वाला?
कौन सा वाला?
ये वाला।
ये फिर
अच्छा। ओह नो, मेरी हाथ का वाला। ओह नो,
ये यू विल हैव टू डू दैट, सॉरी।
ओके ओके ओके,
ये टीआरपी।
ओके ओके, डन।
ये क्या है? ये गलत है यार, ये गलत है, ये गलत है।
I did it.
फोड़ना था,
मैंने फोड़ा, नहीं तो टूटा कैसे?
नहीं, उधर नीचे जाके टूटा।
अब वो मेरी क्या गलती है? एग जहाँ पे भी गिरा।
नहीं, अंडे का योग कम लग रहा है।
मैंने उठा के उठा लिया, मैंने छुआ।
ये तो गरम वाला है।
ये तो ये देखिए, मैंने उठाया सीधा।
अच्छा, मैं मिक्सअप करती हूँ।
हाँ, कर लीजिए।
इसको रखो वापस।
नहीं फूटा। चलो, अब एक काम होगा, अब आप बोलते जाएंगे कहाँ मिक्सअप होना है।
लेकिन आपने तो छू लिए।
लेकिन आपने उठाना है।
अच्छा ठीक है, ये वाला।
कौन सा?
ये वाला।
ये?
हाँ।
चलो, मुबारक।
चलो जी, करो, जोर से करो, मजे से करो।
मैं भी वही करूंगा।
मजे से नहीं, मुझे दिखाओ ना होता कैसे है। नहीं, करो करो, मैं करती हूँ, जोर से करो।
वेल डन, वेल डन। That was superb. That was superb, यार।
चलो, एक राउंड आप जीती, एक राउंड मैं जीता।
Done, done, done. And on that eggy note, thank you very much
Well done.
for being here.